What do you want from a pair of headphones? Looks, design, ultra comfort, and aesthetic appeal? Or all the newfangled wireless tech in a glossy, shiny package? If it's the former, then the Master Dynamic MH30 are an incredibly well-built pair of on-ear cans. There's no fancy Bluetooth, high-res audio compatibility or noise-cancelling tech. But having used these headphones for some time, we don't think any of that's a deal-breaker. Plug in the trusty 3.5mm, rest them on the ears and prepare for sonic bliss. Design: anodized aluminium body with stainless steel components. Leather headband, lambskin ear pads. Woven 3.5mm cable included. 195x190x40mm, 260G. A lot of headphone makers cut corners when it comes to their products. No, so Master Dynamic. The MH30 are cut from a different cloth, avoiding kitsch over shiny plastics and poorly considered components for a far more luxurious take. The aluminium body is robust and lightweight, providing a solid frame on which the leather headband and lambskin-covered ear cups sit. The metal is anodized, too, ensuring it's tougher and better looking as a result, while stainless steel components provide the rigidity where it matters. We've been chucking them into a bag day in, day out, and it's not caused any kinks or dents. The MH30 is defined as an on-ear headphone, which does exactly what it says on the tin. The ear cups press against the ears firmly, but not to excess, for a comfortable fit. Long periods of wear are no drama, which isn't something we can say of other far more pinchy on-ears, although we generally find over-ears to be the more comfortable solution. We're particularly fond of the dual 3.5mm headphone jacks, one at the base of each ear cup, which means you can choose whether left or right side fit is best for you. No more tangling cables around your face if you're a left-pocketed phone kind of person. That said, the MH30 is a wired product. There's no Bluetooth, wireless, or any of the high-res audio certification marks to be found here. So you'll always need that cable connected. Sure, it's a mighty fine woven cable, which avoids tangling, despite its over long 2mm length, and that comes in its own swanky leather box. Yep, just for the cable, but you might want more up-to-date tech, especially with phones ditching the headphone jack increasingly these days. Sound quality: 40mm neodymium drivers. No Bluetooth, no noise cancelling. The Master Dynamic MH30 is simple in its approach. In addition to the wired-only design, there's no fancy on-headphone controls, nor will you find noise-cancelling tech to keep the outside world at bay.